Hello, everyone, and we are back with another success story of our Growth Lifestyle Hub 90, who has achieved a wonderful achievement in his career. Let me welcome Janardhan in this Hall of Fame success story. Welcome, Janardhan.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So before we actually start and discuss about what have you achieved through this journey, can we understand more about you? What do you do, and what is your total years of experience and everything?
Okay, sure. Thanks, sir. So my name is Janardan. So I'm a total year of 14 years in investment banking sector. So this is what my career, and with an MBA graduate.
Excellent. Now, help us understand, what is your achievement that people can actually relate to in the investment banking?
So achievement is that within 30 days I got 6 offer job, and one still in the pipeline, which is the number one company in the world, that is still in the pipeline due to the negotiation of a salary. So within 30 days after joining the scam, I have did this one. So before that, I have not got any offer due to the my resume preparation and my leadership skill salary negotiation. After I joined the camp, so I got these many offers.
Excellent. You are probably one of the fastest to actually grab this many offers within the 30 days in this.
Yes, yes.
And it also shows that a lot of actions that you have taken after joining the camp. So
yes.
first and foremost, let's understand, why did you join the camp in the first place? What was your reason to join?
Okay, reason is that I want to take up the ladder growth. One thing. So what I did, what I was working in the organization where I was not growing financially and was the ladder up also. Then I thought I'm in comfort zone. I question myself whether I'm in a comfort zone. Then I taken few risks in my life. Whether I've come out of that comfort zone, I started taking risks. Then I think, okay, we need to move, or else we will be stay here only. Then I took a decision that taking risk. Then I moved forward. Then I was searching for a webinar course. Then I joined the camp.
Okay, wonderful. So how has been your journey in 30 days? It's a short
Wonderful.
time, but
Wonderful.
What has changed in you?
It's changed a lot. First thing was how the thinking level is went definitely changed, because previously I was thinking that, array, why you need to worry? It's not worrying. Now it's thinking, what will happen if we take this? What is the consequence? How we can convince to management to that and all. Then, so frankly telling, from 5 years I have not read one book also. Now I almost done 4 5 books. Still, my book is still morning 4:30, 5 o'clock. I will wake up. I will start seeing cam video, and I will reading at least max 30 pages per day. I will read the books, and I will see the motivation video, Simon Nick, Dan Block, so many videos, Robin Sharma, Rohit Sharma, sorry. I will daily one video fixer, because that will help me to improve myself, because what they will tell, it's above the level. No one will teach, no school or no university will teach that kind of a video. So that make me a plus point, because if I left today, for example, 7 a.m., I will leave the course and I'll start going for office. I was thinking tomorrow which video I need to see, what Dan Locke telling, what is that book name, how much it costs the book, whether we need to buy, where is the library, whether I will get the book. I was thinking where the books keep, because I already buy so many of the book. Whatever they will do, I'll make a note of the books and I will buy the books in Amazon. So my wife is telling, instead of your clothes book only getting more, what you are doing? Are you writing in the books? No. Because previously I used to buy the book for competitive exam. This is more than competitive exam now. It's huge books now. She was telling, why you are taking so many? Are you reading this one or just keeping in? No. I'm reading daily. Even she wake up many times in the morning. 4:30. Why you wake up 4:30? Still is there. I slept around 2 a.m. midnight some days, and I used to wake up 4:30 only. AM that even she was saying, what happened? You are not slept or not? Or did you slept yesterday? No, I slept yesterday. 2 hours are sufficient. Fine. That is what I changed completely. My lifestyle only changed, sir. Frankly telling, I changed my complete lifestyle. Whatever the previous 1 month Janardhan is there, not that one. I changed completely. Even timings, attitude, and readings. Once I started the camera, I follow your script, whatever you have provided till 5 to 11 p.m. I extended till 4. I increased 4:30. Why we need to give 5 a.m. only? We can increase 4:30. So till 11, someday it will take 12. Saturday, Sunday, anyway, I will be free only, definitely. So at that time, I will increase my length. I will sleep less. If I sleep also 1 hour, 2 hours, that's it. Max to max, I will increase my study in reading and how to improve my LinkedIn profile looking smooth and the CV preparation. And this is what I learned from cancer. That is really, it take me the above level.
That is a real transformation in a very, very short time that we have observed in the community as such. So kudos to you for taking so much massive action, we call, right?
Yes.
Now, help us understand what are the 2 or 3 things that you want to point out that people can actually get benefited out of this entire journey?
So 2-3 point is that first thing is surrender yourself to course.
Okay.
That is the first thing I will tell to everyone. Whoever is there, until unless you surrender to the course, you will be not there. Because I see that you were telling that only 23% of the candidate is completed 100% of above the 70%. That is where we can see that the people are not taking seriously or not taking. So what I suggested, first surrender yourself to the course. Then you will see the graphically or sometimes you can see magic as well. You can see the improvement in your level also. And because someone will make question how this kind of will work. Some may question you also. And second thing is that whatever the books is there, definitely you start reading the book and the course. If you have any doubt on the course, go through. Because what happened in my scenario, I went for LinkedIn course around 10 times because few concepts where I was not able to understand. Then I started searching in Google how this concept will work. Then I added this one. That is extraordinary for me. That is because LinkedIn still I'm going. Morning also I was thinking how to do this office politics. I went again. So this is the second one. The thing is assignment. Main assignment, whatever is there, COI, you need to prepare themselves. Because once you prepare that one, you will get idea. Make a note. If you or make a note, means you will get an idea what you're doing. So where is and you need to put a target for yourself. For example, 2020 December, 22 December, what is your career goal? Where you stand? So that and all, they need to plan. So this is my 3 points.
Great. So in nutshell, if I have to say, you have been a very great student, because those who have achieved the success in the entire Growth Lifestyle Hub, I think what I have realized the common pattern is they are very good students. So
yes,
all of us have, as an adult, we have realized that we have gone beyond that understanding. Achha, I cannot probably learn, I cannot probably sit, I cannot probably note down, I cannot watch this beyond a point, but you are watching your entertainment movies long period of time. So that is not a problem. If you are given a KGF2, they will watch forever and again. So the question to you is, there are a lot of people like you in the mid-level who are getting stuck, who feel that they know how to search a job, they know probably how to do this and make your career and so on. And they get lost and remain that underpaid, underachieved tag. What is your advice to them? What is your 2 cents for them?
So advice is that don't degrade themselves that you can't possible, can't do it, underpaid. You need to come up with that one. You see, when we are grown up, we will tell our kids that you don't tell can't do it. You tell do it. So can't because if we think in that level, we will never grow. That is one advice for them. And on a leadership on any BAU, you take risk because some may be financially, some may be management risk, some may be weekend. Because what will happen in my career, some risk will occur. What is happen that in BAU, if we do some risk will cover, it will go to compliance. it's go other department. In that time, what will take? We will take risk sometime, because what will happen? We know if we take risk, will come the outcome of the result. It will be definitely good. So that risk and can't possible. Arey yaar, chhod do yaar. We will work on this career and all. I don't want career. Whatever is that. Don't sit in comfort zone. Don't tell can't. So these and all, I advise for any camp or any aspirant that don't tell degrade yourself. Can't do it. Arey, don't stay in comfort zone. This is what my first point. Don't ever stay in comfort zone. So either you will never grow. That is what my advice, sir.
And what is the importance of coach that you have realized?
Coach is definitely, because as I said previously, I was my resume was 3-4 page. So then after seeing the course, because everyone know the path, everyone know. Okay, this resume everyone know, CV everyone know, but how to build CV, no one knows. Because still, because what is happened, I forwarded the resume to my senior manager was there. I forwarded the old one also. What he said, what you are forwarding booklet or what? Reduce the number. Then I forwarded the new resume. He said, how come you prepared? Did you given any amount to prepare someone? No, sir. How come you prepared? And I said, I was taking course. Oh, seriously? Good. That is what I get. So course is like a path, sir, definitely. So you need to just follow the path, you'll get success. But what is that? You need to follow the path. If you want to go in this way. Then don't go this way and then come you're following me, then definitely will not achieve. You need to follow the path correctly. Whatever in the course, you need to make a note, assignment, everything. Then you will correctly follow. Yeah.
And do you think that at this level you require a coach in your life, or you don't think so?
Yes, see. Yes, coaching, sir. Coaching is not at this level. Okay. See, till we live in our life, coaching is must and should, because see, coaching is that means we will be growing moreover. See, in older age days, and my father and mother was telling, right, hey, you need to go this way. Why they are telling? They know if you go correct way, you will get success. They will tell, don't go that way. That's not good. You go in this direction. You'll achieve so. That is what the coaching required in this industry, especially. Because as per I knowledge, more not sufficient coaches are there in India. Only minimal, because no one will come forward and take the course, because they have their own ethics and financial problem, BAU. So that much is there. So what I suggest is course is must and should, mentor is must and should. Because that is how you recognize the growth perspective. Where are you? First thing, where you are, you will recognize first. That is what's up.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Janardhan. It seems you have actually cracked the code that we always teach in the community, right? Where we meet together and we actually show you the code of honor. That is a growth, yes, leadership, contribution, clarity, and the freedom that you have to work for. And for that, obviously, everybody has to surrender to the process. Yes. Everybody was using the coach as a parents. Then they were using the teachers as a coach. Then they were using the professor as a coach. Now there are professional coaches available. But then the question is whether you have that ego to probably not surrender to that coach, or yes, you want to probably figure it out yourself. Either way, you're right. The only change will be the growth path that you get. With the coach, yes, obviously your growth path will be higher. Without coach, your growth path will be always at an average level. So very well said, Janardhan. I just wanted to say thank you very much for appearing in this Hall of Fame interview, and more power to you and success for your new roles. I think 6 offers is a phenomenal job that you have done in the last 30 days or so. So we want you and wish many more success in your career as well.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your course. Definitely, I will learn more on this course. I'll be joining the next level as well soon. Once I join the new organization, definitely we'll keep in touch, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay, all the audience, if you are watching this success story, what has inspired you? Just put in the comment below and just make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get this success story directly in your inbox. And If you want to learn more about how you can actually take charge of your own career, like Janardhan has done for himself, within the 30 days, he's getting 6 different offers. So please subscribe to rakesh.cc/masterclass. You'll be getting into the group where you will be given an opportunity to meet with me live and learn what he has learned over the last 30 days. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. See you in the next success story.
Thank you.